Which body is responsible for developing and issuing international financial reporting standards? The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Government of India, International Accounting Standards Board, या फिर Securities and Exchange Board of India. So correct option is option C, that is International Accounting Standards Board. Next question. The international accounting standards are largely conversed with IFRS but may contain specific modifications to suit Indian economic conditions. These modifications are known as IFRS deviations, carve ins and carve outs, Indian gap adjustments या फिर localized interpretations. So a correct option is option B, that is carve ins and carve outs. Under IFRS, how are assets and liabilities typically classified on the balance sheet? Based on historical cost only, no specific guidelines exist for format, classified as current and non-current, classified only based on fair value. So correct option is option C, that is classified as current and non-current. Which of the following statements is a key difference between Indian accounting standards and IFRS regarding implementation? IFRS is mandatory only in India while Indian accounting standards is global. Companies complying with Indian accounting standards must disclose a note that their statements comply with IFRS. Disclosure of compliance with IFRS is mandatory for IFRS compliant companies but not for Indian accounting standards compliant companies. Last one is IFRS prohibits the use of fair value accounting. So correct option is option C, that is disclosure of compliance with IFRS is mandatory for IFRS compliant companies but not for Indian accounting standards compliant companies.